Hey, wow! Cooking up something special?
Yes.
Come on, let me have a taste.
No, don't drink that, please.
Oh, my stomach!
That's a dirty water you just drank.
Then, what on earth are you making with it?
Yes, in view of India's 80th Independence Day celebration on August 16, Sunday, we have an exciting challenge called Family Freedom Feast at every Jesus Calls prayer tower across India. The whole family should join together in participation. Dad, mom, and the kids. So the challenge is to create a delicious dish on the theme patriotism or the colors of the Indian national flag without using a stove or fire or electricity. Bring all the ingredients and everything you'll need. Work together as a family, prepare your dish, decorate it beautifully, and finish within 30 minutes. Come, participate, and win. Registration is absolutely free. We all set for the challenge? Scared? Let's meet on the battlefield August 16, Sunday.